Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Crazy Bulk is probably one of the most sought-after supplement brands for individuals looking to enhance their physique and performance, offering a range of products designed to mimic the effects of anabolic steroids without the associated health risks, making it a popular choice for bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts aiming for significant gains in muscle mass, strength, and fat loss. Number 5. Crazy Cups Flavored Coffee Pods Variety Pack. Get ready to explore an exciting range of coffee flavors. This variety pack offers a delightful mix of coffee and chocolate coffee options to tantalize your taste buds. Designed to work seamlessly with your Keurig K-Cup machines, these pods make brewing your favorite cup effortless. Enjoy a perfect brew every single time. Experience the smooth and balanced taste of our medium roast coffee. It's the ideal roast level for a rich and satisfying coffee experience. Each pod is perfectly portioned for a single serving, ensuring freshness and convenience. Enjoy a delicious cup without any hassle. With 48 pods in every pack, you'll have plenty of delicious coffee to enjoy throughout your week. Stock up and savor the variety. Indulge in the irresistible combination of rich coffee and decadent chocolate flavors. It's a treat that's sure to become your new favorite. What we like. Experience a world of flavor with this diverse selection. If you love trying new coffee tastes and want convenient single-serve options for your Keurig, this is your perfect morning companion. What people say. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich, surprisingly, is my favorite so far. The fruit flavor really comes through, and yep, there's just a hint of tease of peanut flavor there as well. Bananas foster flambé sort of coconutty caramelly, and yet there's that hint of banana if you taste it carefully. Chocolate coconut dream, smooth chocolate and coconut flavors that complement each other, both distinguishable, neither overpowering. Number 4. Jacked Factory Build XT Daily Muscle Builder. Introducing Build XT, your daily partner in achieving greater muscular strength and growth. This advanced formula is designed to enhance your performance and help you reach new heights. Experience the difference with our scientifically formulated supplement. It's crafted to support your fitness journey, helping you push past your limits. We've included powerful, trademarked ingredients like Peak 02, 11-ATP, and estrogen. These components are known for their ability to support muscle development and overall athletic performance. This supplement is specifically designed to aid in building muscular strength and promoting growth. Get ready to see and feel the results of your hard work. Each bottle contains 60 easy-to-take veggie pills. Make it a part of your daily routine for consistent support towards your muscle-building goals. Build XT is more than just a supplement, it's a commitment to your progress. Elevate your training and unlock your body's true potential with every dose. What we like. Unlock your strength potential with this advanced formula. If you're serious about building muscle and enhancing your athletic performance, this supplement with its scientifically backed ingredients is designed for you. What people say. Crazy Bulk is a great product that has helped me achieve my fitness goals. I have seen significant muscle gain and fat loss since using Crazy Bulk. The product is easy to use and has no side effects. Number 3. Crazy Muscle Creatine Monohydrate Pills. Elevate your workouts with our premium creatine monohydrate pills. Designed for optimum performance, they are perfect for both pre- and post-workout fuel. Experience the power of 3 types of creatine in one easy-to-take tablet. This advanced formula supports energy and endurance for men and women. Boost your strength and power with 5 g of creatine per serving. It's an ideal supplement for anyone looking to enhance their physical capabilities. Support your ketogenic lifestyle with our energy-building supplement. It provides the clean energy you need to power through your day and workouts. With 180 tablets per bottle, getting your daily dose is simple. Just take 3 pills to support your fitness goals and achieve peak performance. This versatile supplement is formulated for everyone. Enhance your training and recovery, no matter your fitness level or gender. What we like. Boost your workout results with this convenient creatine blend. If you're looking for an easy-to-consume way to increase energy and support muscle growth, especially if you follow a keto diet, these pills are a great choice. What people say. Crazy Bulk is a great product that has helped me achieve my fitness goals. I have seen significant muscle gain and fat loss since using Crazy Bulk. The product is easy to use and has no side effects. Number 2. Razor Crazy Kart Shift Electric Go-Kart. Introducing the Razor Crazy Kart Shift, an electric go-kart designed for ultimate drifting fun. It's perfect for kids aged 6 and up, offering an exhilarating ride experience. Its simplified drift system automatically engages rear-end drifts, allowing young drivers to keep their hands on the wheel. They can focus on steering and throttle control, just like the pros. Experience ultimate steering responsiveness with a 1-to-1 steering ratio. This ensures performance driving and precise control for every turn. Enjoy the perfect balance of drive and drift thanks to the fixed incline and rear caster wheels. They are designed to provide an optimal riding experience. It's powered by a 12V sealed lead-acid battery, which is both power-efficient and rechargeable. This ensures long-lasting fun on every adventure. The Power Core Hub motor is a maintenance-free system. It eliminates the need for chains and sprockets, so riders can focus more on driving and less on upkeep. What we like. Master the art of drifting with intuitive control. If you're a beginner looking for a fun and safe way to experience drifting, this model's automatic drift engagement and simpler controls make it ideal for younger riders. What people say. Crazy Bulk is a great product that has helped me achieve my fitness goals. I have seen significant improvements in my muscle mass and strength since using Crazy Bulk. The product is easy to use and has no side effects. Number 1. Razor Crazy Kart 24V Electric Drifting Go-Kart. Get ready for the ultimate drifting experience. This electric go-kart is designed for pure fun and excitement. With a variable speed foot pedal, you can reach exhilarating speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. Control your acceleration with ease. The innovative drift bar allows you to take full control of your drifts, spins, and cornering. Master every turn with precision. It features a pneumatic front tire and anti-tip front caster wheels for a stable and safe ride. Enjoy smooth handling and added security. This kart comes with a powerful 24V rechargeable battery system, ensuring long-lasting fun. Everything you need, including a charger and safety strap, is included. What we like. Take your drifting skills to the next level with advanced control. If you're an experienced rider who enjoys the thrill of high-speed drifts and wants precise control over every maneuver, this is the ultimate machine for you. What people say. Solid construction. Update 2 years later. Kart is still a hit. It does go through some tires. Stock up on tires. They're cheap enough and take 15 minutes to replace. Plenty of videos online. Battery lasts a little over a year, but also cheap enough to replace. When you change out the battery, your kids will notice the speed is back. Es genial, la batería de dura bastante tiempo, tiene una velocidad de hasta 12 mph, tu puede con un peso hasta de 150 pounds. The boys are rough with it and nothing has broken so far. It looks to be made of good quality material. They take 5-minute turns lasting over 40 minutes once in the morning and again in the evening, and we charge it in between. While we have already used it for several hours of fun, I haven't noticed any drop in the battery's performance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.